I just woke up and it snowed outside. What the heck? Anyway, I'm going to do a sliding knot tutorial for Army bracelets. Wow! You'll see in a second. So I'm planning on passing out a bunch of Army bracelets on tour this year. But listen, who has scissors whenever they're at a BTS concert? Literally, I never bring my scissors, so I don't know what you're talking about. But the sliding knot is great because you just slide it and it's like a little adjustable knot and you can literally put it on immediately while you're at the concert. It's great. Let's go. So I always make these little cards to put the bracelets on. It is supposed to have this info, and then you can also put your personal info on it if you would like. And then put 2 little slits with some scissors on the sides. And first thing you're going to do is put the Army bracelet into the little slot that you made, and make sure it's like centered, if you know what that, like if you get what I mean. Like make sure it's like centered right here. I ran out of time, like for part 2. Adjustable Army bracelet knot. Part 2 tutorial. Okay, so yeah, the point of the sliding knot is to make sure it is adjustable so you can put it on at the concert and you don't have to chomp it with your scissors. So make sure that whenever you're about to make this knot, make sure it looks like it would actually fit anyone's wrist. So I'm going to say right here. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take one of the sides of the bracelet and you're going to measure where you had it before. So I would think it was about this far from the knot. And then you're going to like make like a knot like you would. So you're going to go looped around and then you're going to shove this guy right in here, but you will not tighten it. Do not tighten it. Now you're going to take the other end of the bracelet and then put it through this hole. So now that you have this string in the knot, then you just tighten it around it. Voila. And then I like to put little knots on the end of the string. And there you have it.